Hello, I'm Richard Rizk. I'm going to talk about the second frequently asked question I receive is what can I do to increase the value of my claim? Well, that's a good question. And the basic thing is when you have a personal injury claim, the value of your claim is really what is documented in the medical record and what's documented for economic loss. But as far as what you can do is promptly seek medical attention after an accident. You don't want to wait. You want to seek medical attention right away. And you want to follow up with medical care immediately. There's sort of a sweet spot in a claim where treatment isn't contested. The farther out you get removed from a claim, the easier it is for the insurance companies to say it's related to something else. So you want to front load your treatment when you're dealing with an accident claim. Get treated right away. Rule out serious conditions as soon as possible. Now, claims adjusters take claims more seriously when you have an attorney involved. Why? Because they know that if they're not reasonable with you, that you can do something about it, namely file a lawsuit. And they know that if they're not reasonable about the amount that they're offering you, that they might have to answer to a decision maker. There might be a day of reckoning. You got to keep the pressure on claims, and having an attorney is one of the best ways to do that. You know, there's two types of claims you have in a personal injury claim. It's called first economic loss. That's your out-of-pocket, the money you lost because of a claim. And there's something else called non-economic loss or pain and suffering. It's harder to prove your pain and suffering claim. If you have any sort of psychological problems from an accident, you need to document those and discuss those with a medical doctor and get a referral to the proper specialist. The idea is to get what's bothering you out of your head and into medical chart notes, because once the problem is blessed or confirmed by a doctor, it gets much more credence. So that's something you can do right away, is to seek medical treatment for your problem and be diligent about following up.